Hello, and welcome to this presentation, Getting Started with the LMG600 Maintenance Mode. This short presentation explains how to use the maintenance mode functions of an LMG600 series precision power analyzer. Maintenance mode functions on the LMG can be divided into three general categories. The first is resetting the system, that is, clearing all user-configured values or returning the system to its factory default state. Another set of functions involve copying system or error data to a USB drive for troubleshooting and/or support purposes. And finally, maintenance mode can also be used to shut down or restart the LMG. The most common maintenance mode functions are resetting the LMG. The maintenance mode menu is accessed by holding down the MIS card key during startup as soon as the progress bar appears. Maintenance mode can also be entered during operation by pressing the MIS card key and selecting Maintenance Mode. But note that this option is only available when using the local GUI and will not appear when operating the LMG remotely. There are two reset options under the maintenance menu. One is a Config Reset, which returns all settings to their default values, but does not affect any custom menus or scripts. A System Reset, on the other hand, returns all settings to their factory defaults. Again, please note that a system reset will cause any custom changes to be lost. After selecting either of these reset items, the system will reboot. In addition to reset, maintenance mode also supports several other functions. Restarting and shutting down the system can be performed directly from this menu. Two additional actions are helpful for troubleshooting and support purposes. One is copy event and fault records on USB stick, which saves the fault memory to a USB drive. Another is copy full system status on USB stick, which reads all important system data and copies this data to a USB drive. The final item, front unit test, performs various tests on the LMG, but this function should only be used by trained or properly instructed persons. Let's end with a brief summary. LMG600 series precision power analyzers are reset from within maintenance mode. This mode is accessed using the MIS key, either holding it down during booting or by selecting maintenance mode from the MIS menu in local operation. Resetting the LMG is the most common use of maintenance mode. A config reset simply clears all user-defined values, whereas a system reset will return the system to its factory default values and will also clear any custom changes. In addition to these reset options, additional actions are also available within the maintenance menu, such as restarting or shutting down the system, or collecting different types of data for troubleshooting or support purposes. This concludes our presentation, Getting Started with the LMG600 Maintenance Mode. If you'd like to learn more about LMG600 series precision power analyzers, or other power analysis measurement solutions from Rohde & Schwarz, please see the links in the video description.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit us at rohde-schwarz.com.